Have you allowed any dreams to get buried in? You at one time you believed you could do something great, you believed you could lead the company in sales. You believed you could break that addiction, but it's been a long time. Had some bad breaks, wasn't all your fault. You could easily settle where you are, nobody would fault. God sent me to light a new fire on the inside. That dream is still alive. You may have tried a year ago, 5 years ago or 40 years ago didn't work out. Nobody was there to help you. God is saying to you what? He said to Caleb, go back and try again. This is your time. This is your moment. Your destiny is calling out to you, and every time you remember your dream, every time you say, Lord, thank you for bringing it to pass. You're removing some dirt. You are digging it back out. Maybe you've struggled with an illness for a long time. Early on, you believed you could get well, but now it's been years and you're just learning to live with it. What's happened is your healing, your breakthrough, your freedom has gotten buried. It's still in you, it's still alive. If you'll start believing again, God can bring it to pass instead of thinking, but else never gonna work out. I've had so many bad medical reports that's putting more dirt on it. That's burying it deeper. You may not understand why a business didn't make it, why a person walked away, why you came down with an illness. You were doing the right thing, but the wrong thing happened. It's all a part of the process, every disappointment, every delay, every closed door. It's not just a setback. It's a setup for God to get you to where you're supposed to be. It may be taken a long time, may look impossible. All it takes is one touch of God's faith. But do you remembering the hurt, the pain, what didn't work out, turn it around, and remember your dream. What is God put in your heart? What did you used to be excited about now? You think it's been too long. It's too big. It's not possible. You don't think you could write the book, finish school, see your marriage restored, start the business, go get your passion back. You have not missed your opportunity. You have not had too many bad breaks. You're not lacking. You didn't get shortchanged. When God breathed life into you, He put in you everything you need to fulfill your destiny. People can't stop you. Bad breaks, disappointments, lost. The Most High God is on your side. You have all your blood flowing through your veins. There are seeds of greatness in you right now. Dreams, so big that you can't accomplish them on your own. It's going to take your connecting with your Creator. Believe in that you are a person of destiny, that He's directing your steps, that if He before you, who dare be against you? Now, here's the next step. Repeat after me, please. It's possible. I can live my dream. It's necessary. I work on myself, surround myself with winners, become creative. It's me. I've got to make it happen. It's not over until I win.